Hi, good evening. This is Lakshmi. So here we are going to discuss the next topic, which is nothing but what is a database languages. Okay, so there are here we are going to mm, discuss about what is a DDL, what is a DML, what is a DCL, and what is a TCL. Okay, um, so DDL, DML, data definition language. DDL is nothing but the data definition language, and DML is nothing but data manipulation language and data control language, and the personalized transaction control language. Okay, so for what purpose it is being used? Okay, the first thing is uh, it is used for communication purpose with the databases. Okay, so for this, what language they are using for the communication purpose to a particular database, which is nothing but they make use of a SQL, which is nothing but a standard structured query language, which is used for the relational databases. That means, as I stated, what is a relational? As I stated in the previous lecture, relation is nothing but any data are stored in a table format, which comes under a relation. Okay, so here we are going to the database languages is being described into four categories. One is nothing but DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. So first, as I stated, DDL is nothing but a data definition language. So initially, if you want to create a database, okay, that means, for example, if you, for example, you just consider you are creating a student database. So what are the basic information you will collect? Normally, serial number, student register number, name, and then the information is recording the student. So these are multiple columns are there. Serial number, register number, name of the student, and then address of the student, this mobile number, and so entire things is comes under the DDM. Well, coming to the DML, okay. So what the DDL defines, just think of it. You are creating a database, nothing but, as I stated earlier, since it is here, what is that? Since it is DDL, and what I can say, so relational database. So the informations are stored in data are stored in the table format. So now for this, if you are creating database, you are creating a structure for the database. Okay, but you not yet entered any information regarding the serial number, name, dish number, or anything, but you created a structure. This is the main work of the DDL. Alright. Next one is nothing but DML. Okay. Now, with the help of the DDL commands, what you did, you have created your own database structure. Okay. Well, coming to the DML, okay, what is the main work over here is with the help of the DML commands, we can able to modify the data. Now I created the database structure with the help of the DDL. So that is the some of the four important commands in DDL. One is nothing but create, alter, drop, truncate. This commands, okay, is useful for to do any modification in the table structure, not in the data which is you are going to store by using the DML. Okay, just keep in mind that the create, alter, drop, truncate, every changes which is being done with the help of this create, alter, drop, and truncate commands. This modifications will be reflected only in the table structure, only in the table structure, not in the data which you are going to store in the table. Okay, welcome to the DML. So with the help of this DML commands, you can easily able to insert or select or update um, these are all the basic key commands. Okay, next one is nothing but DCL. DCL is nothing but accessing some of the controls like grant and revoke. Okay, manage transaction in the sense. One is nothing but important thing is commit to rollback save point. The one is nothing but you can for transaction control language and you give a simple example which is nothing but, for example, if you are typing a Word document, okay, while typing you done some mistakes. Okay, what you will do? You will give the shortcut as control reset, which is nothing but you roll back to the previous thing that previous step. Am I right? Before, yeah, right now you typed in a wrong manner. Then if you are giving or a read or undo in the sense, it will go back to the previous section. Okay.
At that particular point, you can also able to save that thing. Okay, commit is in the sense once the entire thing is processed, you can save the entire process, which is nothing but the commit. So grant and revoke is nothing but in simple way to whom you are giving the grant to access the database. And once the information has been accessed, you can have the authorization to revoke the grant that what you provided. Okay. So these are all the main uh, things which is behind the database languages, what the DDL command will do, what the DML command will do, and what the DCL commands will do, what is the use of the TCL. Okay. So remaining things we'll discuss each and everything in the next video session. Okay, thank you.